pretty dark base over there. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Not much else going on yet. So there's a boundary right here. You can see it. There's a line of storms back there that you cannot see over the hill. But there is a boundary right in here. As you can see, I'm in the Huntertown area. And there is a line of storms coming. First little shower just came through, and now here comes the second batch. There's the shelf as it's moving over. Oh, there's a lightning strike back there too. There's the shelf cloud moving over. There's some low hangers here. Definitely some low clouds. There's a radar update. Almost here. Well, there it is. That's one of the main updrafts right there. Summertime thunderstorm. Driving back down toward the storms. Some kind of cloud boundary over here. It looks like a roll cloud. Yep. Definitely a roll cloud. Interesting looking clouds out the side here. Wow, that's quite a beefy looking cloud right there. Whoa, quite a bit of water on the road. There's the updraft. Got a full view of it now. Looks pretty beefy. It's got a tail cloud on it. There it is. Guess we're gonna see if there's anything interesting under here. Right here. Slowing down quite a bit. That truck almost got hit by that semi in front of us there. That was a little more Trucks swerving lanes. No taillights on that trailer on the left, and the semi almost ran into him. It's an exciting drive, isn't it? Well guys, thanks for watching.
3/4 of a mile wide.
Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful. Holy. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that is wrapping up.